All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. Got some pretty amazing DD that came out today. Just amazing. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button. And let's get started. Jim Simon's Rentech fund, which I think uses AI, tripled its AMC stake last quarter and slashed Tesla by 75%, which is actually a pretty good call, right? Because Elon Musk just sold. Jim Simon's Rentech triples AMC. Hedge funds bet on movie theater chains soared almost 20-fold in value to $103 million. Rentech held $138 million in Tesla stock, a fraction of its previous stake, worth $14 billion today. Renaissance Technologies, one of the biggest and best-performing hedge funds in history, has more than tripled its stake in AMC and slashed its Tesla holdings with 75%. Rentech, founded by former NASA code breaker and MIT math professor Jim Simons, held about 500,000 AMC shares at the end of March. It raised its bet on the Simon chain, a firm favorite among meme stock traders, to 1.8 million shares. The value of Rentech's AMC stake hold ballooned 20-fold to $103 million in 3 months to June 30th. That reflected the fund's share purchases as well as movie theater stock group's price jumping almost 500% to $57. Rentech may have warmed to AMC last quarter, but it cooled to Tesla. It cut the Tesla position in AMC and Elon Musk's company from 827,000 shares to 204,000, reducing the value of its stake from $533 million to $138 million. Rentech, a quantitative fund that trusts algorithms to decide many of its trades, has owned significantly more shares of both companies in recent years. For example, it held nearly 3.5 million AMC shares in the half of the year mark in 2019, which have been worth $200 million 2 years later. It also owned a split-adjusted 20 million shares of AMC or Tesla at the end of 2019, which would be valued at $14 billion today. The top three holdings in Rentech's $80 billion portfolio into June were $1.8 billion stake in Novo Nordisk, and almost $1 billion stake in VeriSign, and $810 million position in Zoom. The fund boosted Nvidia position by 150% and grew its Amazon stake by about 16-fold last quarter, resulting in those two names replacing Monster Beverage and Target as its fourth and fifth largest positions. All right, and let's look at this. And look at this. This is from Fintel. So this guy on Twitter, Maddox, got this information. Renaissance Technologies reports 38.836 increase in ownership of AMC, and it's through the 13NF in report filing. So it's been confirmed that they've really increased their position in AMC. Very rarely do we get to stick to the rich and powerful. This is one of those moments, yeah. So, Rentech, they're not fooling around. This is James Simon's latest disclosed ownership of 2.5 million shares total. Total value at $95 million. So we'll see what happens if it goes MOAS, what they do. Whether they sell out at $500 a share or they keep holding it for forever or whatever. So, but yeah, it's because of CEO Adam Aaron, right? All right, guys, until next time, peace.